Hey guys, so I want to start showing you one set through of these WODs or workouts of the day. This is the first one I gave you, which was called Wildfire. So it's 20 reps of each of these things. So it starts with marching steps, then it goes to high knees, then it goes to punches, and then you repeat marching steps, high knees, and then you finish with elbow down. So I'm going to do them right now all the way through. So first, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. And then back to marching steps. 1, 4, 6, 12. Nothing like getting filmed with the UPS guy in the back. Marching steps. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last one. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20. So that's one time through. So you go 3 sets, I think it's level 1, and then it's up to you how much rest time in between. Good luck.